I would like to introduce.
I'm a demon.
I'm a demon. I'm a demon. I'm a demon. I'm a demon. So what you say? I'm a demon. I'm a demon. So what you tell? I'm a demon. I'm a demon. So what you tell? I'm a demon. I'm a demon. I'm a demon. I, I'm a demon. Demon, 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 demon. I'm a demon. Demon, 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 demon. I'm a demon. Demon, 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 demon. Kana la matimoni, makalanga la matimoni. Ngigama ngiya ngosimoni, kodwa mina ngithi lemoni. Ntwana yami yona uTimoni, mina ngidla amakilo, kilo, kilo, kilo. Timoni, 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 kilo, kilo, kilo. Timoni, timoni, timoni.
Demons came from hell. Demons are the baddest bitches. Demons came from hell. Demons came from Satan. Yeah, bad bitches. Demons are the bad bitches. Demons, demons, demons. Demons came from hell. Demons, demons, demons. Demons came from hell. Demons are the bad bitches. Motherfucking demons. Yeah, demons. Yeah, motherfucking demons, demons, demons. Demons came from hell. Demons came from Satan, the Lord, devil himself.
Amademon aphuma kahell, mina ngikhala amasende. Sithi yaphuma, lokho ngikhala ngencenga, lokho ngikhala amasende. Khala kusizi, kana la matimoni, mabizana ngosimoni, ngizidala ngamalemoni, ubizana ngoTimoni, ngilala ngeCross.
Book of Revelation, chapter 7, verse 16 to 17. Never let the demons take control of your life. Only you, only God can control